I've been inspired to share a request that internally feels like a process that I have to overcome. And it is to ask for support. Whichever way you can, whichever way it resonates with you, it would help me a lot. For one who has ability to support financially, please do so. No boundaries. Whether it's 10 euros, whether it's 10,000 euros, or more, or less, or it's just support overall by feeling and resonating with this, I wouldn't call it project, but with this mission. I don't know in what it will turn to be. I know one that it will not be religious place. It's nothing related with religion. That church has never been baptized. It is sacred place, but it's not related with religion. That's why it's been abandoned there. It does not belong to it. It's not part of it by any means. So I want to make a temple for that it would unite all spiritual ways, whether it's shamanism or it's Hinduism or it's anything, any way of spirituality leads to the same understanding. We will see in what it will turn out. It is an incredible place to make mantra evening meditations, praying and concerts. I mean, so many wonderful beings come to Lithuania that I know 100% that they would be blessed to come there because it is an amazing place. Nothing like that. It's difficult to put into words. It needs to be experienced. I'm here to put my work into it, physical work. Lift up every single stone, clean every single, derby, organize anything that is needed, to put back windows, to do whatever it will be needed. I'm here for that, to make it happen. Someone can help by praying for it. Someone can help financially if they're in position to do so. And I am able to put the work in, and I will do that. I already started doing it, and I will continue. What it means for me to trust my heart. It means when I'm in center of my own being, and inspired thought comes, it's new, it's fresh,